life, bro. That guy's got aura one.
Yo, and he was aura farting at the maximum, bro.
What you
Broski
know about
died and then
seeing
came
someone in
back
the
alive.
back? What you know about that? What you know about that?
Yo,
Bro?
bro. What you know about your homie dying in the driver's seat? You trying to crawl out the fucking car and then homie that came back from the dead kills you. Like, what the fuck, bruh? Like, was that a valid crash out, bruh? I crashed out in fucking EMS. Push useless nice, bruh. Just fucking hell.
I crashed out with that guy in the slash me, but I was not having it.
Gang, me bro. I'm waiting me in my push to get picked up, bruh. I'm waiting like a dumb push. And these fucks is never coming, bruh. Holy shit. God damn, bruh. And then you get me gal whispering my ear. Yo, you gotta make friends with the EMS, bro. Fuck that. Hell no, cuz.